PDP for no afa NDC government say ensin wo monum o ti ase ensin wo monum eti na omo ye ni omo ye no eti na omo ye nyina na omo ye no
the PDS for no
eboboba na PDS nkwa de say me wo President Mahama voice no wo opposition was Gabby Asare Jáil no ni abamu but ni odu owo no obe prosecute no eto odo no nkrofo dey for manager na adwese wa free ho what you say
mba peke no
oh that day one kasa on African TV and I me send them Gabby say hey President Mahama so nya opportunity obe prosecute ma me ma feel abako what's that during ye levy e ba say Gabby akop yi President Mahama ho na wade no ko kasa ba na nya yi levy asembia
na wo fela
na nya yi levy na ye PDS asem no ko ka na so ko so antonkra nti odru order President Mahama so afi no asori nti won twɛn ogyina gate be wa na wa no ko ho dim ne esi ho na me ni fi ho video but minim se bibia si evidence no be ye more so wo kwa ko pa chew eti o de onya botre no hwa de me draw attention bi akwala na omo che no osunyan no baba mando no ba hu se ope trend me 2 ministers ni nyinafo obi anyi nani first case na edino baye no court to say every 2 weeks on report to police for no make sure so report to one report o monje bench warrant fankwache no she ade a watwro wa ha who is the most useless minister na ode emranche mienu picture ababeto ho no atwro mudin in full and their respect would you we na say ye chiwa no be say you are suppressing free speech. How can you do that? Nipa mienu ade o mababeto ho enso no ye ka ministers o mabo mu hu modin a what you mean ja o mumu
omo boy juma
what you mean ja o mumu enti de o munyi o mani na mom ne first case na eche no no na esa police for no hwe menim date omo adjourn na yi no ekoko si e omo hwe se bibia betimi akoso platforms on ya make a chance say wo person kokko dance wom but case fufuro bi any where do be konsa wom no dada na de obeko good so ho net no eti eno no nko ana ye bebo mpenifo abaso nso ma hu se ya se PDS o makwa kwa chimpenifo be 3 bi ya ni ade
walogu ni akapo walogu
walogu de no so de beba
PDS ese so mo cheba Bawumia ka ho
o se afi no ma start education no call kakra
Gabby ni Bawumia mo
ayikra se Owusu kra ya the petition now what they call OSP no I think say onye petition for no one directing ko BNI hobe ye kama
keep ho
ko BNI I think say they will act on it obi BNI no say what over 300 pickups na ketu ya say wo ye den onye scan wo hin no the toss over 300 pickups no ye de edum se nka mo ye yi say amanfo donate kakra wo hu ne de no na mu de yi me kai say Mishia Madam Fubi ewo East Legon wasi wo hu NDC buses na branding na me na me yema omo free on the top bus no donate ma party no so hu ne no no yongo de wasi wo no anya sika Ato pickup Navara pickups brand new over 300 hey that's
yes more money
me a petition OSP besin ne untimi acknowledge you grass e bia me saka mu petition ti say ni say eti I think say say eko BNI na BNI for no etimi eye hu adwuma eti so far there metimi aka say the way a sha say no eye so what is say make kofi dwuma ya de na akoto ICU o kolegu e bebia na make say asem mpenipa
nipa ne ho asem
sajo no ye be pon amomo mayo asem mpenipa
nipa ne
asem ho mpenipa me ka chem MPP mrantie ne say mo be pa asem ama mo mpenifo no
covid man ase na so wode woni wonyi
woti wona mo trotro na mo say ya bogro no hwa no machimachi no hwa no machi ei
ede
eno na start no
na ayi wa Japa we
Japan the most fearful
so mo money chiwo mu nyina
e so mo ma no kwan mu
ma no kwan wo ya munyi mani
so ho ne tie no
Gabi nyina
me say sa complain ni say ye chiwo bi Rambo star man for we should not listen to them. We want to fight corruption. What would you know? We want to fight corruption. Now kona ni panu ko ye romanza. Ebe da ni fight. Dem Rambo star no kra no. E can say ye daytime. What would you know? Ya obi ahwe. Obi ahwe ya bu handcuff. Ya do ko e di asem ye se wakoye corruption.
No crack again.
No crack again ye adeketwa.
Ko vigima mu.
Ana sam profo ya ye tra o mu nyina no. E se president nhwe se wo mu de baby kra be ko yina community service bi so abamu a. E bia ye jelu ni amount 2 a year. Ye se bia 6 months no be community service. E tu sorry na do akogina circle. No za wan kwa say. Circle na mu yi Roberts na gugu gate si mu no. Ni apamo atade a show. I was corrupt and near the Adimuno I will not be corrupt again. What I say? Yeah, special dress. No more sir. I tell you say the way of corruption be conform. Na mo ga bi wo say dey e ka dey say Ken Ofori Atta badi atutu na no na abo kanisim ni adi ko koja won say sagata mu ni ade ni a hye ne satare no obi ekodo jina ho obi agina ho no wo hwe Ken Ofori Atta ni sikani we pa ado wo say sagata mu no wo ye mo opportunity a o kwa corruption o konko ye so woni ete no eti ye hwe because akwa shense wo mho kra no akwa tokro bi mu wa da dwudwu no ho ye say bono ho ka eni ne ka ka ho so let us look at some of these
things man dey so ono say no see dey si twa bie no say wo de no kwhye ba bi na 3 days wonya bi anya intensive care unit na den meko obekwa
say ende ana me ka say what na samo kan say
wo bi otumi go
wo mu be ready ni fie na oni ho enti wonu ekose die enti embe masem sei what
ajemai
etu fi se hwiensi wo ti wonom da car wo di free adwuma nko ye be gi free ye be fa free fie ko yo so eno kwa no should give you a clue
we be a wo fie wo ska na woje
it should give you a clue wo say me ba be ye me masem you see MPP for no afa NDC government say
form nyina ma
ensini omonum o ti ase ensini omonum eti no omo ye ni omo ye no eti na ndi omo ye nyina na omo ye no
the PDS for no eboboba
na PDS nkra de say me wo President Mahama voice no wo opposition was say Gabby Asare Jáil no oni abamu but ni odu owo no obe prosecute no eto odo no Crawford afọ manager na adwen so wa free ho what you say
mba peke no
oh that day one kasa no kasa on African TV ana me say ni de ma Gabby say hey President Mahama so nya opportunity obe prosecute ma me ma feel abako once during ye levy e ba say Gabby akọ yi President Mahama ho na wode no ko kasa ba na nya ye levy asembia
na wo feel
na nya ye levy na ye PDS asem no okoka na so okono so antongra nti odru order President Mahama so afi no asori nti won twen ojira gate be wa na wa no ko ho dim ne si ho na me ni fi ho video but me nim se BBS evidence no be ye more so wo kwa ko pa chewo eti o de onya botre no hwa de you see this country hwe among focusers no more de Ibrahim you see they get it wrong. Da ben wo say Ibrahim Kwaku gina party so aye kukrudu da
na bi
mesi kukrudu akoye Yezuda onye bida so onye tie no wo hu da say Ibrahim ahye party atade da wo hu bida the mere fact is any president no that's a sim say bia say anasi say wo oye business person oboa MPP ni oboa NDC ni oboa CPP ni obia eye different Gabby there ada na wu no platforms so who say o share MPP atade enti demonstration na no so ne tie no enti no eye mo nyesa comparison no mo nye
denouncing citizenship
so ne tie no enti ehonum no mo start no na nipa ba ko pe and the Wohobia, and Yabeja. The Papa could pay Madame Fubi. So, apart from one, no, logo, Munina, and contented. Logo. Ah, near trading. You're trading.
Can you do me? Obviously, I say, oh, my menafe, Emma Mingus. What was that about audio now? I said, we are okay with it. What you? Mammy, so what the Campbell? They can along the line, Obesambo. What's a baby me try to take? I say, Niamba Kosono. What ye were so a year or Chibef in Sudan? Matiano pa. Okay. Tiffany in Abubum. I hear Akosumo a year control room where she any near Ebo Moka, the Abobano Yentio.
Mogabi. The year 2014, 15, 16. I can tell you, say. Niama niye ye ukrumba. Nkofua wamuwo institutions mu technocrats niye miti wa mu secretary. No mu information ba. Ene niye kache omu so munye emfa mwa. Emma ban no enkofo mu no. Huh? You have no idea. MPP. You have no idea. I'm saying this on authority.
So now come on. Tunim de worker.
Menya backbencher.
Yes.
Me want people na menya backbencher.
Yeah, I know.
Menya national executive, but baby ada me kono. Ne na me ye no national executive so be no munti minye. Nyama pa ade ye okom ha. Eti ade ne start here na me say ade na sabotage. Because you were SS you got to say power. Power no ho. You ensure to power. So a year day and a fake can you do sa. My ye complain say netem bia me ko me prom. Weekend bia me dru wa memenda anwure foi bia dum kania. Ade be chi kwasi dance o maso. On 2 occasions me friend regional minister o frɛ wo mo ani aso kania no mu biom. Just another week. Which means he say sanke ye problem wa ka regional minister friend get yentimi so. Anamewa. But so of friend ya yetimi so ye ne de na che say bibi e koso. Ana because asemu ya. Ene hwe odua eni na mabonten. Ene kumase. Anu ya Kwaku shia engineers o mo Ashanti region. Allegedly. Say oduo ha say oduo na amate no. Chese MPP mpenifoni bi Kwaku shia engineers wa Ashanti region. Ani emo bia 150,000 Ghana cedis.
1.5 billion.
Cabinet tisikan 1.5 billion. Monji na mundundu munkania no. No mundundu munkania na nyamo mabushi afona mo ha omo.
Go mo businesses.
Mo mabushi afona mo ha omo. What you say? Now when the catcher say, can you do ma? Or don't you know? Obi bekas oba beto aba MPP. Say MPP for she share your year. Enka sadi we beba. Kama. She ma me classic example. Abraham Mahamadu Bawumia power 2016. Owie na dwuma no. President Akufo Addo take over no. The whole of 2017 first crude oil about 1st July 2017. That is from January to June ending. Abino and crab crude da. Because na Mahama buy a store crude. I bet me a bet power generated for 6 months.
Wow.
And then a President Mahama buy a Akufo Addo kono. Naka 5 hours crude. 5 hours. And then 5 days old. 5 hours crude. Apart from crude and one machine with the dano, Sadonia Sampe. Yes, stand by. 5 hours. Now, I dream bang, and nobody else I don't know. Because no one can say who say, or we lose elections. No. All the pools were telling them, say, or we lose elections. No. You know, one year preparation, dear. And to hold but na menchadie etina maybe I say John Jinapo eya esese ye muhu se abrantie no wa yaduma
papa
hwe ministers na do mo sisi table so say no wodo no wo hye table na se and was struggle eti asa no medu table so say no na we mu so mo mu so kakra so won etie no who share bra wa bre I just say what bomb what the ama didn't eject that's what afraid and say as I started and the guy go yes ye jitu me say fort kakra wo baby there but no or one side or one yes no more sheda and the sabotage na wram. The biggest mistake a President Mahamadu Bawumia MD na or confirm no as can say CEO no. The biggest no. Look, me say sa positions no a political appointment too. So when you come, share obia who feel say yes, we what me vision echo now the NAPO. Now the Akufo Addo by Yangofa can say can say Mahamadu. I don't know
from New York.
Yeah, from New York. No, I had New York electricity.
Yeah.
Let me know pa. I don't going to buy it or born home because Akufo Addo himself or national organizer for USA.
Chairman po.
No, a national organizer for USA.
Okay.
No, the whole branch.
Okay.
Chapter nano di chama o baby answer or national
USA.
Yes. So we need
to so free just so crapper.
Yes. It was me say the nipa or name no vision echo. Now who banners of say father for all there. Look, they will sabotage you. They will sabotage you. It is our audio ya aba bonteno. As he said,
audio no
as he said, yenya people. What me pick is way up. Engineers shia wo kumase ene musika yesi ya demu ma wo mu no as he said omutimi taking up omu investigation say yes apa dia sankofo ni say you omodi look young engineers omu aba no omu obabin
nye national service na adwuma ma se mfa na adwuma wo akoso mu oba wo
omu abi
ene kohwe
omu the opportunity and the work
yes
the work nese mo tratra hodum na se mo kokwe se ana ye na ye tin god ni e kai ka ho a they will sabotage you enti look me Mugabe maybe anameka say NDC Ghana from mamu chance e bedru bebe o mekasa mo ko home kakra what you say ansa na mo kwa ko home kakra no e se o man dum pempenso bia ye beka say yes mo ba ye no ne motima jani. Then the next person taking over no a man may go through sir I can't say atrocities in you. No. Yeah, look, me say Akufo Addo ye one politician what disappointed me big time because Jidi and me wo mu pa say we bet me see your mind. Look, Mugabe me cause say we are make with passion. Then me go Jidi wo mu say obed say sagana Akufo Addo. Why? And I say, what disappointed me big time. Look, in the Fourth Republic, you try history is here. Everybody go say, what don't the West President?
Akufo Addo.
Now Ganjo.
Wow.
Ganjo.
Under the Fourth Republic.
Under the Fourth Republic.
The West President.
But I'm from free you gra. I'm from free guys 1957. Kwame Nkrumah penso gra.
Wow.
What I say? Because look,
now we Jidi wo pa.
Me say Jidi and na Gabby meja yi bibia ohodum se me ba me ka say Gabby nyesa me say Jidi na bi wo no me say what disappoint me big time hwe open bi okroma say na oye government contract yes o mu inflate sika manu oye corrupt just say ya go kana se bi che papa impene ni mu ahwe kura
Akufo Addo
e wo mu na ja obedi president se deni CEO afi do ni papa ni say papa na baba ni darling boy hey Akufo Addo ni pa na wo mpa ni mu ahwe no
se na ni ska
eti me chese e to da na se me trans na me hwe ne e kwa eti me hye me kra
na se ya ho fe
but thank God say me dey baby adamika me say asem e no kre wo kan no kra eno ano no yeah United Party for ma me di to me petumi yeah dey say ye be kan no kre but enye dey ye bedu baby Ghana for be kasi no yes some party fufu oba ye nim so me de be ma ye na ye kan no kre no
yupi
ye ye white ye white
tuntuma
last be me kai say where the na party should and say me but there was argument to me and because I know no adeno no credit da ho a me money po kai no credit da ho ese se wo ka ye wo economic indicators chere say economy no ebo no ho modern na wo hwe de ekoso nyina che say figures aba out nyina chere say aban yi ebo no ho modern etu kokogya ba bi ka say wo modern ho modern pa oba be ye enemy of the state because adeno ye no credit yeah, car inflation will be the 54%, and then look at 3.2%. It's other than how can you do that? Dollar exchange rate equals 17 cities, and then look at 11 point something. So, then I'll go say, oh, or minus say. Interest rate abba ya can say your primary balance whatever nina indicators in the show say yama ekoyi na fo go travel see oh me say omo abodam pe e na be ka say economy ni ngoye omo ye den omo abodam e na be ka say this current year economy ni ngoye e ti o te sa ma fo na economy ni ngoye omo nyina abodam anya say tio ye ka say economy koyi a e ne kire say sika go obi abotomu from Kwame Nkrumah penso me hu abaya waba ya lodus ka she obi abotom but wadwuma wo ye no ene business for no MP or your business any ade business for no moga be business say wo pay $10,000 Akufo Addo penso a wo hia kanisika no 1.7 billion now they anya $10,000 the same $10,000 today wo pay we hear 1.1 billion. It means it say abaya tima yaduma mu save 600 million cedis. Enough. Na 600 million no. Say ga wo pay 30 a year. Ye ka dey say 30,000. Now they acquire year. When another a year be sabeka ho. $30,000 no. Because we no so atinti no. We betima say nya another 10 point something ko be 15,000. E dey aka ho. Ama osika na shutu e dey akọ be 45,000. The same amount nanka ayi so no wodi beto sa yi no so nete no eti sanu madi gina kire se nyama ekoyi eti ye ne e kan se aban o ma ne nansi fom ne be ye deba ko
transfer na nkoso ana say ni wosi ye chew na
energy ho ne de esese John bie nani
asa
hey ade ne ya petre no say teshi o mo wie o mo transformer no mebo
yes
light do mo hope district manager no me justify the entire doom light when team and justify o mo nyi ne fi o as so mo dimoti na no mo dimoti nu what you say because say discipline be a system mu a o be dim kwasa sama kire yin I said this no wo ko abrotre ni adayi na o hu technocrats no omo hwe omayo they don't care about politicians did you say wo ye adwuma gidi na ka say me na mo electricity me pese ma ha say de ye ka say hwan ana ya de ti me bobi dey say me na ma ya de e no no omo ye but Ghana ha say de wo bia kwa fa political ye ka dey say kales ahye ana wo ti wo o ade no go ya de be dundum no grama hey wo dum na be yiwadi but they say omo anya sa de na ye UP for ye dani ye do this NDC for so ho mo be dwani okrom ha o
so me da say na ye tie audio ni biom audio na efi Asante Memo ba allegedly chese NPP na pomo ne mpenfo bi ehiesia meskatu akom senkane no mo madundu no wa Asante region mo nya de pa se de be ya be bojo mama aban no ye din bone ye tie audio no bi me bra me wia me ba honorable Kwabena Obenso no no so de submission e de amaye ye tie audio
no tama misia me frɛ wo no from only 3 days wensa na po ye ni na papa ye ni na mo nyina ko hia mo wo abuya kwa agogo guy bi na wa bi hospital bi no frɛ mo say Dr. Tam da so no na hospital ho na MPP ni da panifo no na ponu ni panifo ne ba antima da git panu ni nyina ane barekase ne asofia MP no omo nyina be hia omo be hia no o ma obia 1.5 billion na tepa district engineer o buy Asante Mampon district engineer o buy o Fiso district engineer o buy bi Asokwa district engineer o buy bi Ajuso district engineer o buy bi Afichasi district engineer o buy bi Baby any this engineer baby. Asante Bediatuo this engineer baby. Engineers in buy. Man so this engineer baby. Or boss this engineer baby. Omuna buy will be about 1.5 billion. No the coin. Nti NAPO ai Barakase MP no. Barakase Sofia MP no. Otchere offense engineer say and Sunday say wonum Sofia light. Me no kasi na fam was kwa. Me do ngochi be do mbe NAPO be fa bia me headed dim. Some MPP no me fan formation no. Nti Barakase MP no ka kire offense engineer say na wonum Sofia. Nti Sofia won extra time. Unya na nyimre unya no pa unya na nyimre sa nti me gidi se ba o me Sunday obedumu no se ba wote me nka sa na eko isi am na o ka sei o sambe hia delegate mpanifo no ne ebi ewo asokwa omo asokwa ai sa Pentecost asode na isi asokwa okọ ai sa dunyina kwan so a Pentecost asode an kese na omo central asode an kese no ho na omo nyina be hia babo chinku atwan se mpanifo no ba me gidi se underground work na wo ye no be do ko bia me moto di akire se me ka se me waskwa nti papa wote ne nka saa na eko ba me ni asufe ya ba me na MP ni ke se Sunday wonu no ma enemo na sum se me se sufia e offer wote ne nka saa na eko nti papa July this month from 15 to 20th no ina dum so be ko kese pa anti asaf market askwa ena ruri asaf market nti no musica no man 3.2 billion so na asaf market no so Asante regional ni ma ho nti ho na no sheme santi mo nsa so ni ho asaf market off no na MPP NDC collapse na MPP enye Bawumia campaign ko this year na no research time so mo hye to na 2027 no be the campaign papa otemenka na de ekoso no papa me da se nyame sure
of fire dase ya fire ho adwen
up to 50
who says engineers in nyina obi a wo plant oni fie
obi a wo plant
dum na okọ wa wona ne yere ne
politicians no mo gomi ti o mo obi a wo plant oni fie
ti num na asante mem ye ni ayen kofo no mo ho nkyere wo Rabna obi yanko
some the doors mo ga share
kofo we de o mo ye kwa me nkroma wa asante no
MPP abain de no kware ni se eye na se ye na ya no dem obunsam be baby ya
omwa
enu ani MPP
o peseta na o she Akufo Addo wa she na unya bi
Ghana for ye nkoso why na omupani ba ko betina TV so e ka so no de ompe ye rajon mahama ene NDC enkoso mi re fini din mukaya MPP penny no granted interview one of these media stations and also no de pese ye be succeed aban we be succeed adentia say aban we succeed dia it will keep them in opposition no according to MPP there bibia NDC aban ye rajon dramani mahama ni ministers ye bia no e wo say ye den e fail se ne be ya o betumi aba aban mu na o ma ba be se niema Mugabe
destroyers
abaya you taking over say initial stages na nuisance taxes betting e-levy emission tax nini na ye fi ho we ya abaya wo beka se opese Ghana ho efo ekwa hohiehie mu ana covid twa mu na ne da so tua covid taxes
pandemic
what you say enti se wo hwe senia niam ekona se audio ya yetie yi eya se fimba me anya me wama because
bombo mo to ye nkoma
prakupe enya se yeti oman mu a ye beka se eka mu dwigu hansa na moko abayi baye because of fiscal discipline any se sɛnea yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ performing no saa nneɛma ɛka ɛwɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛatete so ɛma ɔman yɛnya some good amount of stability ɛnɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ si yɛnni sika wɔ yɛ bɔtɔm koraa na megye di sɛ obiara nsɔre nteetee ɛhanhan sɛ ɛnɛ makɔfa nneɛma abeton na mo mitɔn wieyɛ no ɛkyina anaa de akyi ya mekɔ akɔfa nneɛma no dollar hum ɛkonti no maboka enti sɛ biom economy no ayɛ stabilized to a large extent na no yɛ da sɔre a yɛsɛ akoso mu ayɛ den ahye agya dem wonim sɛ MPP for saa dum so asemi omo apria so mepe bibi e de atage abanwe na omo ye ni ombe ye bia emfa it not just say omo last resort ni say ne ye mpajantum na ne Ghanafoɔ enko ahohiahiem na Mugabe woni mebo ye minister ene na panfo mo a omo handle communication wo energy ministry ho omo ye adwuma papa minia wenye abanya asemi baaye all shifty blame and now say all deny bibia namum quickly no omo grounds akwa assess the situation no affix it na in all of that no so no man for communication to form every step of the way na omo magana for enya update ye koni saying ye ni saying and me say and then all 6 units function ain't no MPP for the say we ye Ghana ni na say wo se wo pe Ghana ba mapa ahoto ni mpuntu a minjini sa wobekọ akogina adaka mu ato abama MPP esan say mumpa oman no politics aside say yeti hedum so start say ebe say enko say yedum ye target MPP fofia na say NDC fofia ni yedum obia na obia dem ana meboa but mo de emfa mo ho obia you affected but all they care about is to return to power and rip Ghanaians off. This cannot be a political party. What's your mom sa akwenya no biom e wo Ghana say. And you see yera Maswa Kofi Juma em say ono so Gihok ya ration ko IC me sure say enana yenua bema Hopeson Adorye mo yenya leader osio me de the rule of law yemfa nya adwuma ora wo hwe the bulk of niema ya war against abanwe nanso no o se on pese ode patapa on pese ode ehuna be ya adwuma obenya abotre na afam na kwan so she pressure ye disi attorney general so say mun prosecute mun patosi yentu yabo na yanko humem na yefanya adwuma but before na say mun pene sa samusi ye disi ka mun che yen na fe ye che mun so a musimu it is ya nya modan unya petese no 3 days it is sia ya nya modan misre ni amount to me anya within 8 years and barely a year and a couple of months of JM administration. Niema NDC aban ayeno misramo. You say uchi weya ukraba no yefa ko o sha be here for ukraba ho yefa no yefa. There are no two ways about it. MPP abai enjoy say chinchina chi yepesi yesua bibi edichichire abai we na ye target no of corruption and almost na gold border say yo adichia na Bank of Ghana recording losses say adichia ni na ntro ye kasa mumrambe prove so na mudwane Inti yesra muma oman no mu enju nene Ghana for da. Yes, sorry, we have responsible governance. We have leadership. They listen. Now, when him, baby, anyone challenge anyone setbacks to the beba.
President, for staff,
setbacks to the beba
unit. If I'm checking appointees,
setbacks beba. Nemum, the real test of leadership. ASS setbacks neba. Sanya ye bet me ideng. No. Look at the promptness at which ministry and as a minister send na me hu no TV so kra na no ho kra me mo me si wait so na mo Bible kra say ne o ma ne so chen ma o so nti I think say our minister is doing very very well. We must commend him and na me ncha de dum so na mo pese mo de chichiri NDC aban tawe no amfa me say eno ho plans ni audio ya wo boy ya ye na yetie bi na say empanimfo mutumi boa mo ho ano e ka say yento ato adwen na yemfa nsey oman a
courage ye ni aye film
ya ye film ni kura ya ye film a enti na mo pe ye yie ana say mo pe ye
pa de akokoto ko ne ye na
mo ma ye hwe bibi yie because ena ye ba hai meti ha mi NDC ni Minia otimi nchen UPN any obi a were highly disappointed in them Akufo Addo Earthwell administration yet ye botche there be obi e ka na adwen but MPP there be yam bonensa wonim me constituency
was say you jantwi na ka se
me da say me say na minim say kapape e fine gentleman apani a wo politics me say TV so eso no do pese ye failing woefully e kan kan ye John Dramani Mahama ne de esan say o pese wa ma reason bia o na ye succeed e be de no ma sa ba ba mu me see me hu dream na me see na say uti o memu na say this is the mindset would it o man mu a na just Ghana for no say na me mpam yes san ko she MPP fonsa minim no mo be yen na menji ndi say ebesi kra say krabium because near ye film no ebia yes ati ye ma refi na mo Ghana for mesre mamu ma ye refi baby ye fi eba esan say MPP ahokyerera o mo de so Ghana for okoma na ye wokro we mu ana na dum so ibi start ye eda na ye ranapo e ka che yen Some pese yama mu timetable one so draw wo de na fabra na say draw wo de na Owusu say den ki kan sam basa e de kire
no pemfo echi de
enso mu hwe yera John Ginapo e ba ye ni nsada ni nsayem a chopa omakom omahwe ne wo so mu ye bia no ma ye ne ye na ye hu say there's some amount of responsibility and responsiveness on the part of our government and ministers inti mesre nia ya say no yes bebre ne to me father baako nsese but I think say pace na ye dey kono so no enti no mo fampa ebo mo nta ye chi na adwuma no enwie pay oh of course why not na me say na Black Manoff behwe moga Black Manoff na behwe ade
change this number resetting
papa and na hwe wonim 1 million codes Ministry of you can say communication technology and innovation and they be also Black Manoff so we ko hwe classroom and answer space a ye dey yes project ya me say na ye de chaw crack umpe and so and you see ho kama mende ya mayen computers a ye ba be bia no ama omo constituency no mo pese omo training code ni ade no mo ba be ye omo ba be install wifi ni na free essence ya ban we na why biom Rabium, abaya eboa you so with skills and development. Niema de ye bi. Enti moma yenya entoboase na ye ntwa sa nkrofo we enguna. We no mo de. They don't mean well. And we know so say they don't mean well. Yada say dum so no anye omo entumi answer CD kura. Ya na ya so anu. Me de pa ye bebo minister Abaso.
Honorable Reverend Obin for your time.